All right. Good evening and welcome to Silver TV here on YouTube. Meantime, I can subscribe to the account, but maybe I do know. You have to subscribe to the account um, probably by Wednesday. I can have a new announcement Wednesday or Thursday. There'll be a new announcement concerning this particular channel. In order not to miss it, please subscribe to the account. Now, on a panel, there was the question of the day, which had to do with a year immoral and what you believe will be the price tag and the salary SSC the mano. Now, my kind of brave will be say Prince Peace or say 12,000 Ghana cedis is okay. Will be say 10,000, which is a year Philippe Champon. A PAM GH or say 12,000. Abdul Aziz Obed. If it was me, I'll pay him 15,000 Ghana cedis. I suggest 11,000 and the forcing. The money is too small. Imoro should be given 25,000. Charles Arthur. There are a lot of comments, and let me have this let me have this opinion. Say conversation are reaching a peak. Comments no yes. Cortes na no hear that question no. Omonsa aka question no. Inti omonsa aka what people are saying. We had almost 58 comments, and this afternoon na many penny bi wo baby na ye di hu nkomo na we are reading it. Inti me na my account na ye nyoma bebre sometimes it act as a means of picking what the public thinks. Inti ya comment ni ba. I get a bit kind of so bad, but you understand when the time is right, because a bit because yes, I did near had here. So that is it. This evening, I'll be honest with you. There's little update when it comes to this immoral issue. I don't have it. And upon the ATM, the Mahamasa contract has been sent to him. No, it was expected, so I did reply, Beba. We are in command menya a concrete reply, say response a free moral harbor. When I say a concrete, I say nanka may pay through be but menya free ho. So I don't have much about the immoral story, but I have much about Lamptey, about Richmond Lamptey. Me breaking news now no pa end. We even say number be after me breaking news. So we munchire mu pa me de bro on the Richmond Lamptey issue with Asante Kotoko. Now, before I do that, I'm a panel me share my boss say Nana Amponsa new team. Now I had a club CEO, petrol club. And one more Dovano. Me catch him say no details be bra me bro on the Nana Amponsa new project. Now, I think I'll have to do a special video just on that. But anyway, what you don't know about the project, and and it's out there, yes, confirmed, say on it Ahila of Sudan, officially, one more contract extension, or more ask for a partnership with Ahila of Sudan. On say Nana Amponsa, we all know a relationship with Ahila. Kotoko ball pre-season wo at that time na Kotoko ton Imo Ibrahim na ko Ahila and also news back or market money Hila ball matches builded that relationship. So Petro Club one Moldova recently Razaka Belua joining omo and look at Moldova league now mobile league of Moldova second team on the league table, second to Sheriff Tiraspol a Petro Club and over. Now, Africa, the man announced one partnership. Let me say this. There will be 3 Ghanaian players. I can't go into details, but there will be 3 Ghanaian players. I'm going to join a Petro Club in the coming days. Announcement, beba. Baku, midfielder. Wachidimpa. Enyo Kotoko ne house player. on your on board has about a me for a watch deeper or joining on. I can't go into details, but let me talk about the project. Kakra, I am a whole point. I mean, Mami Church project in the mount. There will be another breaking news, massive one, pa, that will shake the foundation. Massive story. And for what I'm picking on, it is a big club in Europe. I have the name, but I'm not permitted to mention it. For now. But me describe here. Send me a story in a bar, confirm one. Then, because I'm saying, no cool details. So it's a big club in Europe. Country country now that team won the last word ye d Europe their countries on last word ye d also pa ewo ho na that team no omo a big team ewo saa kro no so na Ghana ni player bi. As a Ghana ni player oh ana as a Ghana ni player bi oh. Ghana ni player bi oh asset. Heavy and on your heavy sir. It be to me, but that deal will be a groundbreaking deal. Now, this is what I can tell you about the Nana Amponsa mega project. Like I'm saying, I will do an extensive video on that. But Africa, we are linking up. Ahila, good. One Tom Venom of a Right to Dream. Also on Norgeland. Club na ase nanaya o eni omo ye wie na o ma wie no. Ewo Europe no. Me bottom Venom when a story ni wie na me ka dot ni bo abeti ase. Tom Venom od ni place no kon Norgeland. Norgeland. Na from Right to Dream straight no the alcohol. Next when ya the European touch at a very young age, it be 18 went to Europe. Into Bobo Norgeland wana easily maybe or do call Ayas easily maybe they say Kudus they say Tom Venom and the new Ayas no call West Ham so I think common say and no call West Ham from Ayas to West Ham and which was massive. We all know West Ham to be a very big team pa process na or short team process no. Should be said Ernest Nyama before I realize na Norgeland to a year Olympic Lyon. And you need that connection in terms of talent. Ghana and lack talent. We have a lot of talent, but it should not create the bridge between from the local scene to the foreign scene. So the plan, the mega plan I made to said there will be partnerships, and these partnerships no be the bridge into maybe from Ghana. You can move to Ebia Ahila, Sudan, Ebia from Cote d'Ivoire, from Burkina, from Ebia Sunyane, which you all know say Nana Amponsa during his time at Kotoko now picking young talent no be any. We know Isaac Opon, recently Nicholas Mensah, we all know Mbela Befemu, Mfigi Mubefemu, Nan scouting no especially this side so successor. Young guys in the Ababi Rakotokomono, there were quality ones, Rocky Jamunamunyana by Anana Ponsens management. And the plan is that you get these players probably from the second division, then from there, we took them to maybe Ahila. So Miti Hila standard now, and also Wabru Hila standard now, not Neko, yes, Moldova. From Moldova, no, or Bobo Conference League, Bobo. Europa League na when you bounce Navia or match from a hall to another bigger club. Now just say the course because now all these big clubs in Europe they want partnership here in the local scene, and that is the mega plan of Nana Amponsa and then the consortium. David Obinya is part of it. David will be a Michel Obosheno. They are doing a wonderful job. And a lot of advantage for Ghana football. At the right time, I'll delve deep into it. But what I'm permitted to see, and my man, 3 Ghanaian players ever joining her. Azanka Belorako. One is a midfielder, one bokot kwambo has, but or a big. And then Omni Ahila assigning a partnership, and there are 2 partnerships on by announced. One again in Europe, a big club, and one probably in South America. Into opinion no juma, but what I'm permitted to tell you, and at my culture, but Makekan SMP, some na makokwan. So that is the Nana Ponsense Air project. On a part of Asante Kotoko, Rocky Dramana, let's come to Kotoko. Namema Kotoko news kakra. Rocky Dramana fit. Richmond Opoku, I recover fully. Taawun Yaya, I recover fully. Bena someone they make catch da so on also I recover fully da. Inti injury no kakra wo ho amensa kan no. And I still don't have much about the Henry Ansu situation, and I don't want to lie about it. Inti dem wono ena me the amount. Now, let's go to the Lamptey story. Now, Lamptey story our Taawun. That was how Libya, your sources in Libya, Idia or Botren, our Taawun. Enti we needed it. Enti enye team na, let's set the record straight before I go into the issue. Enye team na Jonathan so we kono. Omo na dey offer about for Richmond Lamptey no. And enye team na Agadas so bon. Enye no Agadas is in Libya, but enye sa team no. There's a different team called Taawun. Now, let me digest the Lamptey transfer and then one, from what I know, I'm a kind of sure I pass a agent and as initiative deal no, and me Lamptey about so an panel. That was around 9 and I may shoot a video no. Now the video everybody is saying it. Nipa do ya idea no abona paso. The decision is as a player when the agent approach him, will decide is a debit. Monokotoko for Nkasa. We need to give him credit for that. Now, fee na Kotoko boy, for a player like Lamptey or Abakudu Blaster, because from what I know, Jonathan Sowa, Sika, Mediamenya is $600,000. That is the money. My sources catch him say Mediamenya from the Jonathan Sowa deal. But sometimes strikers there, they're more bigger than a year midfielders. Strikers boy, they power. Again, he's playing in the Champions League. He is the current Ghana Premier League boy. Only team Nigeria or Champions League group stage. So the Champions League plus the Blasters, and we all know say so any friendly matches minutes ni be about than Richmond Lamptey. So it is expected say so about Koso and so for you that don't know, Midiama signed him from a Division 2 club in less than 2 years and what blow big. Into no contract maybe so Midiama had the advantage of the Africa, they had the advantage of the Blasters having some minutes, and the length of his contract may favor Midiama. Into no make me a proper negotiation. But Lamptey, no Champions League for Lamptey. Blasters on your call up when to me and Yabiambo. And on a contract so I 4 months. Into a sana enough power to make higher demands for Richmond Lamptey. So from what I was told, after say Lamptey directing all the agents to go to Kotoko and speak to Kotoko, which is nice because player be for the best na say na mekana no pano na wa twen ama deal no ne contract na be wie na the contract ne be wie no akwa akwache but say dey mu Kotoko because only the Kotoko so ayama no. So from what I'm getting, Kotoko bought $150,000 and the agent presented an offer of $100,000 for Richmond Lamptey with a salary of $7,000. Now this is where it gets tricky, and this is something that we all need to talk about. Kotoko was a sticky situation in the sense that Lamptey at the moment were 4 months on a contract. If you decide to push it, say discount na Lamptey mbonwia. Yes, Lamptey would try to reward Kotoko, but the biggest reward that Lamptey beba Kotoko is offer about monje na menko. Into case of my offer na na what try so be negotiate ya se Lamptey renew a wontimi hold ni bebre sa because offer ne buy na one, and this is an offer that is massive. From what I was told, Lamptey's salary is not up to the minimum range 4,000 to 6,000 Ghana cedis. 4,000 to 6,000 Ghana cedis. That is Richmond Lamptey's salary. There was our range in the movie. The entire is near from Kaka. Or 4,000 to 6,000. Now, we'll check it $7,000 US. So you are talking about almost 80,000 Ghana cedis. Then find said deduction in cost one ABC by even 60,000 Ghana cedis. 600 million a month. Meaning a issue pa. With 4 months to end, Kotoko would love to take the money. But Lamptey no also transfer window near close. When you lose Lamptey, your chances of winning the league are from because then the matches are Lamptey ambo effect in our Kotoko team. So Kotoko is also looking at that one way or the other. I kind of 4 months any engine on quay rather than say a very risky season in you know one sign here. At the same time, this kind of so you being seen a name say because transfer window not close. I'm a Kotoko. In Tinkai be a day on Kotoko Tony before transfer window no committee decide say let me break the bank and sign this player from this club to replace Lamptey. But Kotoko don't have that. That is big Kotoko Jina say I'm on common iodine and Yama Asante Kotoko. On the part of the player, Sikawe is scarce as a so even 6 months. 6 months, no, but a lot of things will change for Lamptey. 6 months, because 6 months, no, to me, say we even 50,000 Ghana cedis every month. We are talking about almost 300,000, around 300 million, 300 billion, 300,000 Ghana cedis, which is around 3 billion old Ghana cedis. Even in 6 months, if they are paying, or you be beer, you know, to me, say we even 50,000. So that is where the player also stands. The hard decision for the player. The money is so good that he wants to take it. On the other side, there's a player who who said they got Kohiano, but semetrama in contract new semi extend ya my pabonini. Sound common. So both parties are in a very hard place. But that is the news or her. The offer sounds good. Offer to my player be teaching, but we all know Lamptey say there. Especially the love and supporter Asante Kotoko for Echita for their man. So what do you think? If you are in Lamptey's shoes or you are in Kotoko shoes, then I'll be you ask of these things. I don't care the virtue, but that is the issue. They're double or no. Sika is a for the player. And the club are also got this canal. Obedenya player and replacement at the time transfer window. I asked him now, and then we and now opinion for no kujeto ablakwa. And the statement be about thing concerning the Ghana Black Stars and the amount of money that was spent as budget, the budget for the AFCON. And the budget was $8 million. A big debate, but I can also share your opinion. $8 million. That is the budget. One, we can talk about a year the budget. You can talk about Nana and Ponson's move. Do you listen? Kotoko. And you can also talk about Lamptey. What do you think the management should do? This is Silver TV. Bye bye.